Everyone. Today we are going to learn family related vocabulary in German. Let's start the video. Die Familie, family. Der Vater, father. Die Mutter, mother. Der Sohn, son. Die Tochter, daughter. Die Eltern, parents. Der Bruder, brother. Die Schwester, sister, der Opa, grandpa, die Oma, grandma, der Onkel, uncle, die Tante, aunt, der cousin, male cousin, die Cousina, female cousin, the skin, child, the Kinder, children, the Geschwister, siblings, der Schwiegervater, father-in-law, die Schwiegermutter, mother-in-law, der Ehemann, husband, die Ehefrau, wife. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next time.